why do product launches? Why not just have an evergreen product? Well, what I like about product launches is that there's usually a scarcity and urgency involved that drives up the sales and can result in more sales in a week than in a year or a few years for a certain product. For example, you could have a 7 day launch where at the end of 7 days, you could increase the price of the product by a few dollars or even $100, or you could just shut down the offer altogether. And if you really want to sell that product again, you can always just relaunch it at a later date. Okay. Another reason to do product launches is that there's a possibility that you can generate thousands, tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, or even more. So there's always a possibility of getting that big windfall of cash, and cash is king. You need cash to operate your business. So that's one of the beauties of having product launches. It infuses cash into your business. Okay, another thing that it infuses is responsive leads, or in this case, buyers. Buyers are, as a rule of thumb, buyers are 10 to 20 times more responsive than freebie seekers. So it's very important to have buyers on your list. So you can also look at product launches as an opportunity to build your list with responsive leads.